Hey there everybody, my name is Jay Roberts, UV Product Manager for large format UV printers, and I'm here with Sean Profera. And today we're going to be talking about the LO-640-F3. This is our newest line of flatbed printers. I'm really excited about this printer. It's got some amazing qualities, some amazing upgrades, and I think you as users and dealers are going to love this machine.
Yeah, basically the LO-640 is based off of one of our most popular UV printers, the LG 640. So essentially throwing that on top of a flatbed table now just gives us a lot of versatility on printing on direct to substrates, flat goods, and a lot of other products.
Now you hit it right, you hit it right. It is literally the LG sitting on top of a flatbed, which means one thing. We've got speed, people, we've got speed. We are 3 times faster than its predecessor.
Yeah, the speed of this and the productivity of this machine really does make it truly a profitable machine for our customers, our end users, on printing on virtually anything this thing can stick to. The previous unit, the CO series, where we had 500 milliliter cartridges in here, we now have 750 milliliter cartridges in this system that do include a pretty expanded color gamut with orange and red ink. So this really does allow us to really expand from just a CMYK printer into having that higher or wider color gamut, but utilizing less ink, more cost effective, having larger ink capacity in this machine. So that's really something that our end users are really going to look at in addition to the productivity. So if we need to utilize white or we need some special effects utilizing the gloss inks, we have those ink configurations available.
So we'll talk a little bit about the table, talk a little bit about the gantry. The table itself is based on our previous model, which has the built-in controller unit, so it's easy functionality. We have 2 vacuum systems, front and back. We have a true solid well built for the height of it, so it becomes very ergonomic. Ergonomics as far as not too high, easy to place boards. All of this in line creates a productivity for the machine that's enhanced and user-friendly. We can print up to 220 pounds per square foot on this printer. So it holds a lot of weight, so there's not a whole lot of objects that it can't print to.
Absolutely, and like our other products, so like our entire TrueViz line, we've got the 7-inch LCD screen that's got packed full of those features as well, being able to show our ink status, how to set up our materials. We make everything very easy to use.
2 things that we've got built into the machine which are unique to this machine only. We have one, the Ionizer is now built inside the cabinet, so it actually is more effective. And then 2, we have a laser pointer that's built into the cutter mechanism where that goes, and it's a really effective way, again, based on productivity, setting up jobs. You don't have to set them up on the side, you can set them up wherever you want. Use the laser pointer, establish your base point, your productivity is increased that way. It can print up to 9.53 inches. Now, a lot of times people don't understand that. That creates 2 things. A, first of all, you can print on big objects, but B, 2, is you pull out, you have more workable space. It becomes more productive having a bigger space. Not only is it, like I said, you can print on large objects like luggage or box type products, but its usable working area is productivity. The applications on the machine really range from light industrial, signage, traditional signage, object printer, customization and personalization, which is my absolute favorite. I think it's the most valuable thing that customers see out there. We now can print up to 4.6 millimeters within generic distance mode. So it isn't just that non-flat object. It truly creates the process of enhancing that customized, whether it's a part or a customized product for a customer to sell, toys even, it truly is a different, unique kind of animal in that regard.
Yeah, for sure. And with the Eco UV inks, again, printing on toys, printing on different objects, it has that versatility to be able to do that.
Yeah, the EUV5 is toy tested, approved. It has CPSIA, it's Prop 65 approved, so it is a great ink in itself. Part of the things that we always talk about is the gloss, the white, the buildup of things. You know, we're doing ADA signage, braille type of products, the interior signage that are so important for our customers, and then straightforward printers. Straightforward prints are absolutely the bread and butter, you know, the signage type of applications. But there are a lot of people, like we go back to the ink set, a lot of people talk about that orange and red. It's a huge color space for customers needing that vibrancy or the skin tones, more of the art market or the beautiful, beautiful point of purchase sale market.
Yeah, absolutely. And having those ink sets with the orange and red allows us to really hit a lot of brand and challenging corporate color logos.
So one thing about the ink configurations that I always drive is with the traditional CMYK gloss white, you get the productivity of having 2 white channels and 2 gloss channels. So you're actually getting more throughput on the machine. Right. So it's, again, we talk about, yes, the cost savings of the ink, but then it's obviously geared based on what the customer's doing. It's cost savings time-wise on what they're producing. So our partner in this whole process is VersaWorks. VersaWorks is truly an amazing rip, and it gets better and better and better as we do our upgrades. Being able to customize within variable data objects for customers is an untapped resource that we build into VersaWorks with variable data. That's a great feature.
Having a rip bundled with the machine is such a value there because you're not having to go outside and spend thousands of dollars on a third-party rip solution to run the printer you just spent a bunch of money on. So having this already bundled with the printer is a large value, and having it not a watered down version, as Jay mentioned, we are continuing to improve it. All those improvements are available to you as they come out as a simple upgrade at typically no cost. So you really do get everything that's available to you right out of the box with this RIP software.
So it's got these built-in features which are fantastic, along with DG Connect. I mean, DG Connect is a monitoring tool, but it also allows you to really, truly understand what your business is doing within the system.
Yeah, DG Connect, now available for all our machines, really does give you true visibility to everything going on with your product or your production environment. So whether this is your only printer or it's your 15th printer, you can see everything going on with that environment. You can see how much ink you've used that month, what jobs are going through, so you can really get a true ROI of your equipment.
Yeah. So I'm gonna do a shameless plug here. Register your printer. I'll tell you why. Not the fact that it's just registered, but register it because you will want to be able to see it on DG Connect. And if you have a problem with it, we can dial in, we can get information about that printer so fast because it's registered. It's all based on the serial number and the asset number. But it's truly kind of a shameless plug for our service department because truly, we want you to register it so we understand what we can do to help you. Now, you're going to dive into some of the modules within the DG Connect that are all about the productivity, the business of your machine.
Yeah, for sure. And having that industry-leading warranty, the support backed by Roland, keeps you running, minimizes any downtime. Utilizing DG Connect, having that direct connection with our service department, it allows you to just continue to have the machine running at peak performance.
Yeah, the key is uptime. We always talk about uptime. We talk about being productive for you. We have the things that are built into the machine that has the white circulation built into it. Automatic cleaning's built into it. We have the 500 milliliter cleaning cartridge that's built into it that keeps the cleaning system prepared to clean. These are the things that we've done to make sure that you're always ready to print. That's the key, being ready to print, being productive, and making your business grow. The Profit Center is a great way of understanding how our customers put real life work, real life jobs, the volume of jobs, and how they can look at how to pay for the machine, the profit for the machine, and from month 1 through 12 months. It is an amazing tool that you guys have built. I mean, truly amazing tool. And the more you guys can talk with Sean and Elena about the Profit Center, it's a truly awesome tool.
Absolutely, yeah. We definitely encourage to bring some of your scenarios to us to really help understand how quick can you pay off this machine? How profitable will it be for you for those applications you're actually outsourcing or maybe doing on a roll-to-roll device? How can we help you understand and gain that confidence on whether this is the right decision for you?
Now the LO-640-F3 is a brand new printer. It's a fantastic printer. It's very productive, 3 times faster than its predecessor. It's going to be a great printer to see. So we encourage you, schedule a demo, go to a trade show, do virtual demos, take a look at print samples requests. The machine itself is going to help grow your business, which is what we're here for. We're a partner with you guys. So we want to help you grow your business. Again, my name is Jay Roberts, EV Product Manager for large format printers.
Sean Profera as a Product Experience Sales Manager. So I definitely encourage you to visit RolandDGA.com for more information.